Fires occur in the world every 9.53 seconds, causing great damage and loss. Therefore, every second is key to survival. Preventing and putting out fires ASAP is crucial. AFO, Fire Extinguisher Ball. Fires can be caused in all sorts of environments. How do we put out fires ASAP? The AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball is your handy choice anywhere, anytime. In only 3 to 5 seconds, the situation can be fully controlled. The AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball is only 1.3 kilograms. Both seniors and children can use it easily. The AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball is made from environment-friendly material. There is absolutely no danger of injury or death. AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball's strength is calculated precisely and carefully. It utilizes a fuse mechanism and is harmless to the human body. The AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball applies the most advanced technology, creating the easiest way to put out fires effectively. You can use it in all kinds of environments, such as living rooms, kitchens, offices, shopping malls, and also on transportation like buses, fishing boats, etc. The AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball can simply and effectively put out the fire for you wherever you are. Securing your life and property. AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball.